To reset a Honeywell thermostat, the steps vary depending on the model. For touchpad models, start by keeping the thermostat on. Then long press the menu button for 5 seconds. Scroll down the menu, tap the reset option, select factory, and confirm by tapping yes. This will factory reset the thermostat. For older models, such as the 1000 and 2000 series, the process is slightly different. Begin by switching off the unit and flipping off the circuit breaker. Remove the screws holding the thermostat in place. Then unmount it from the mounting plate. Take out the batteries, insert them backwards, wait 5 seconds, and remove them again. Next, reinsert the batteries correctly. Reattach the thermostat to the mounting plate, and replace any screws that were removed. Finally, turn on the circuit breaker and switch on the thermostat. By following these simple steps, resetting a Honeywell thermostat can be easily accomplished.